Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about our one day tour to Castle Königstein and also village Königstein, which is come after the Castle Königstein. So this is a historical village and it has really good historical buildings which were supposed uh, predicted that they were built in 14th century. And yeah, the village looks really nice. It's a small village which is situated near to Frankfurt or Wiesbaden, you can say. It has old churches and old buildings, old houses. The street is also old. There are not many people are living there. It's around 15,000 people are living there. And main attraction is this castle, ruined castle. So this castle was built in 14th century, and after then it was rebuilt and rebuilt until 18th century, and finally French attacked on this castle and completely destroyed it, and after then they never rebuilt it, so it's still destroyed castle. And yeah, today our plan is to explore this castle and to provide you some information about this place. So there are still some way or underground ways to go from one end to another end of this castle, and it has still watchtower, that wall and everything. The oldest wall is from the 12th century, and this castle on the hilltop castle is it's on the small hilltop. And yeah, the reason behind to build castle on the hill it was like there was King Clovis, which was in year 466 or in 511. So this King Clovis was passing by this hill, and he saw one virgin lady standing on this on this hill, and then he came to her, and then this lady predict that there will be a fight between this King Clovis and other king called Alemani, and she also predict that King Clovis is going to win this war, and it's really happened. Uh, so after that, King Clovis built this castle, and then new after then some the followers came and they just expand this castle. For example, this tower was built by King Falkenstein in year 1255 or in 1418, and he also built some floors in and also some rooms in this castle. So he just expand according to his requirement, and when weather is really good, then you have really good view of the village Königstein, and also you can see the high rise of Frankfurt. So yeah, we were lucky that weather was so nice, and there was a prediction of rain, but we thought okay, let's go and just have fun whatever weather will be. Yeah, so castle looks really beautiful from the top, and you can see, yeah, or you can imagine that how it was when it was completely fully built. It was nice experience to be here, and yeah, once if you are here, then you definitely feel that you are living in some in history or in past. For example, we had similar feeling that we are in Rome, and we are seeing that famous theater, because this wall is somehow look like same. Yeah, there is a one other information about this castle is that um, one belief is that this place is somehow really good point between Frankfurt and Cologne, and it is also cover the really important business way between these two cities, Frankfurt and Cologne. So they built this castle to protect this way, so people they can easily do this transportation. Yeah, now this is the kitchen. It is also called star kitchen, and there are also some star rooms there, which is built by the king Epstein in year 1418 to 1533. So he built these kitchens, and he built some rooms. He also builds some churches. He also invent the cars, for example, and also he built the wall to tip the water, to take the water from it. So this wall is still there. And yeah, and this is look like pub area or market area. So here you can see lots of pubs, and when I think yeah, people want to enjoy, then they might be coming to this place. That is what I feel. And yeah, so this is how it's look like from inside. Everything is destroyed, but still you can imagine that how it was in the past. So we just walk along the castle, visited here, walk here and there, and see some buildings. And there are really nice description about each and every place. And if you are here, if you have time, then yeah, you can definitely enjoy this place. You will not be disappointed. Yeah, this is the south door, so you can enter from any door, it's not an issue. And yeah, this is all from our visit castle Königstein. And now we are heading back to the home via Königstein village. So we came here by walk. We did around 16 kilometer 20-kilometer walk. One of my friend is living nearby, so he suggests us to come here and to see this place and to see the old villages, old houses, old construction. And yeah, I can say it was really nice experience. And yeah, in the end, if you have time, just go out just to enjoy the beauty of nature, beauty of homemade man-made construction. And yeah, if you are in Germany or if you are in Europe, then there are always some place or some cities which represent the history. And yeah, there is, as I said in my previous video, there are always some old start Altstadt, which is somehow from the old age. So there are always something to see, something to know. Yeah, that is all from this video. If you like my video, then don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. And I'll put some more video in future, so stay tuned. Thank you very much for being here. Have a nice day.